Hello everyone, this is Tanvi from India. In this video, we will learn how you can add teachers to your Google Classroom and how you can invite your students so that they can join your classroom and can submit their work which you will assign being an educator. So for that, let us go to Google Classroom, and I have already account on Google Classroom. So if you don't have account, you can create using free sign up option at Google Classroom. And so this is my interface. I have already logged in, and these are my 3 classes created by me. So let us go to this classroom, that is a computer science, and here I have posted some updates for my students. And to add people, there is a tab, that is a people option here. So here you can see that teachers, my name is there, and for the students this name is there. So if you want to first invite a teacher, so there is a plus button here, you can invite your teachers, and there is a special message for you, that is a teachers added by you can do everything that you can except delete the class. So they can upload any academic stuff in your class, they can mail any student, but they can't delete the class which you have created. So just you have to enter the email address of the teacher that you want to invite. So here I can write the email ID of the teacher which I want to invite, and I will just click on the invite button, and invite will be sent to this person, and he will join me as a teacher here and can post every material you both want to share with your students. So this means this Google Classroom can act as a very helpful tool if you want to do a collaboration with your co-teachers, co-educators, co-researchers. So you all can be invite all here in the Google Classroom in your class, so that they can contribute their academic stuff with your common students. So now next thing is, if you want to invite a student, so here is a plus button where you can invite the students. So similarly, if I have any student I would like to invite, I will just click on email address of that student, and I will click on the invite button so that that particular student can be invited. So this is a very simple process if you want to invite your students. So it is helpful only if you have like 5 students or 10 students you would like to work, so that you can enter the email ID of those students. So if you want to invite more than like 100 students or 200 students, so best option is here. You can see under the stream option there is a class code. You can maximize it using this option, display option, so that you can share this code with your students, and their students will go to Google Classroom, and there will be an option of join class. So using this code, your all students can join your class, and the names of those students who have joined that will appear here. So this was the student that has used my class code and listed under the student list. So this will be a good option. You will be able to know that how many students have joined and how many students have left to join. So once they joined, you can start your coursework which you want to share with your students. So if you want to email your students right from the Google Classroom, it is also possible. You just have to click on the student name, so just like I did, and there will be that nothing has been assigned to this student, so you can assign as well. And if you want to email this student, so there is the option, that is email student. So here you can you can type the message, and there will be a subject, Harmeet Kaur's progress in computer science. So to student it will be shared. You can type your message here, and once you have if you write a hello, you can click on the send button, so it will be sent to the student's email ID, so they can see from their login IDs, or they can see from their Google Class login ID as well. So this is a very simple method that how you can communicate with the students and how you can send them the messages. Even if you want to invite your students, you can click here, and if you want to if you want your whole class to join, so that you can just share a class code with your students and they will join you, and then you can share any activity, any instructions, any assignments or quizzes with your students. So this is all about how you can add teachers and students in your Google Classroom. Thank you so much.